Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is Feel the Missing Letters. FILL feel, THE the, MISSING missing, LETTERS letters. Feel the missing letters. So dear students, in this topic the words are incomplete. You will have to fill correct letter at proper place and then you will have to complete that word. So the first is D dash CT dash R. In this word you can see there are two letters are missing. So you will have to fill correct letter at proper place and then you will have to complete that word. So now I am going to give you the clue. See, this is the picture of doctor. So what is the spelling of the doctor? The doctor spelling is DOCTOR, doctor. So after D you feel O, then CT, again O, C. Now this word is completed. So what should be the spelling? DOCTOR, doctor. You can see, dear students, this is the spelling of doctor. So, you know students, a doctor knows how to treat and cure sick people. A doctor is a great friend of the sick person. He always speaks politely so the patient feel comfortable. A doctor is a person with a profession to treat and cure sick people. Now, I would like to explain you the next. This is TE-CH-R. In this word, there are two letters are missing. So you will have to fill correct letter at proper place and then you will complete this word. So which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. See, this is the picture of teacher. So what is the spelling of the teacher? Teacher spelling is TEACHER, teacher. You can see this is the spelling of the teacher. So after T, what you will write? You will fill A, TEA, and then CHER, teacher. This is the correct spelling. So you will write TE, then ACHER, teacher. Teacher is a person who helps children and other persons to learn and progress in life. Teacher teaches to everyone how to read, how to write. A teacher takes the responsibility of his students. They feel pride and honor to direct their students on the right path of the life. Now I would like to explain you the next one. This is B dash W dash. Now tell me which word is this, dear? In this word also there are two letters are missing. So now I would like to give you the clue. You can see this is the clue. What is this? This is bowl. Bowl spelling is BOWL. So what you will write? BOWL. Bowl. I would like to show you the spelling. Yes, this is the spelling of the bowl. You will write BOWL. So, bowl is a round dish or container used to prepare and serve food. Bowls are most suited for holding liquids and liquid foods. The size of bowls varies from small bowls used to hold a single serving of food. The large bowls, such as salad bowls, that are often used to hold or store more than one portion of food. So they are made from metal, wood, plastic and other materials. So this is bowl. Now the next is KN dash F dash. In this also there are two letters are missing. So which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. See, this is the picture of knife. So what is the spelling of the knife? Knife spelling is K-N-I-F-E, knife. So you will write K-N-I-F-E, knife. You can see this is the spelling of the knife. Now, so you will write K-N-I-F-E, knife. Now, so dear students, knife is a thing that we use to prepare food. It is a tool with a cutting edge or blade that attached to a handle. The knives used at dining table usually have blunt and designed especially to cut and prepare food. So this is knife. Now the next is SPI SP dash D dash R. In this word also there are two letters are missing. So you will have to fill the correct letter at proper place. So which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. You can see this is the picture of spider. Yes. So what is the spelling of the spider? Spider spelling is S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Now I would like to show you the spelling. Yes, this is the spelling of the spider. So you will fill S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. So students, spiders are the unique insect that have 8 legs and can spin web in order to catch the insect or prey. Spiders are one of the few species which can live in every habitat except water bodies. Spiders have the symbolic meaning also. It is a symbol of patience and power. Spiders have 4 to 8 pair of eyes, helpful in navigation and hunting. Spiders are found all over the world. So now the next is A-T. In this word only one letter is missing. So you will have to fill that letter and then you will have to complete. So which picture is this, my dear? Which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. See, this is the picture of ant. Now this is the spelling of the ant. So what you will write here? A-N-T, ant. Ant is an intelligent insect. There are different kinds of ants like red ant, black ant. It has 6 tiny legs and 2 tentacles. White ants, red ants and black ants you can find everywhere. They live in groups. Each group has a queen. They are very laborious insects. They save food for the future. They are very disciplined also. They collect food for different places and save them for the future. Now, the next is, this is P dash double P dash. In this word also you will have to fill two letters and then you will have to complete this word. So, which word is this, dear students? Now I would like to give you the clue. You can see. Which picture is this? Tell me. Now I would like to tell you. This is puppy. So the puppy spelling is Puppy. So students, what is the spelling of the puppy? Puppy spelling is Puppy, puppy. So after P, what you will write? You will write Uppy, puppy. So the dog young one is called puppy. It looks very cute. And you know, it drinks milk and it eats meat. So the puppy is young one of dog. Now the next is R dash V dash R. In this word you will have to fill two letters and then you will have to complete this word. You see which word is this? Now I would like to give you the clue. This is the picture of river. Yes. So students, what is the spelling of the river? The river spelling is River, river. So after R, what you will feel? You feel I, River, river. So you will write River, river. It flows towards a big water body such as ocean or sea. They generally flow through hills, valleys, plains and other places. Water in river comes from various sources such as rain, melting of ice from mountains, etc. Many rivers start their journey in the rainy season or ice in the mountain start melting like Ganga, Yamuna, etc. Now the next is S dash double M dash R. In this word also there are two letters are missing. So you will have to write the correct letter and then you will have to complete this word. So which word is this? This is the season name. Now tell me which season name? See, this is the picture. Now tell me, dear student, this is summer season. The summer spelling is SUMMER, summer. After S, what you will write? UMMER, summer. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. During summer season, days are longer and nights are shorter. In summer season, vacation is declared in the school for nearly approx sometimes 1 month, sometimes 1.5 and sometimes 2 months also. The summer season has high temperature, but it is also very important for agriculture and for rainfall. So now the next is W dash and T dash R. So tell me, my dear, this is also season name. Which season name is this? In this word also there are two letters are missing. So you will have to fill correct letter. So this is the picture of which season? Winter season. So this is the spelling of winter. WINTER, winter. So you will write after W INTER, winter. So you will fill WINTER winter. So winter comes after the rainy season. It begins in October and ends in February. December and January are the coldest month of the year. In this time, the weather remains cold. The cold wind blows. People wear warm clothes. The days become very short and the nights become longer. People like to drink hot tea and coffee. We get fruits like apples, oranges, grapes, many winter flowers like marigold, petunia are found at this time. So, dear students, like this you will fill the missing letters. Thank you.